Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Happy Monday. As you know, I picked up this at my Best Buy store. Thanks to I'm gonna give it a shout out to Alex Stark. He reminded me to pick this up because this one is the latest drop from AT&T, and then this is the LG Phoenix Plus. So I picked this up yesterday because at first I was looking online, see which store has this, and then at first when I went to AT&T, it shows the price was $129.99, and then I searched around, and also my viewer Alex Stark told me that it was listed for $99.99. So and then I went to Best Buy. At first, I checked on eBay and Amazon, but they didn't have anything in stock in Target or Walmart. So I did some research, and then they finally have this at Best Buy, but it did not show any of my local store that have it in stock. So when I ordered online, and then couples like 20 minutes later, they say it was ready to pick up, and then I was surprised. So anyway, let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. So this is the AT&T Prepaid Phoenix Plus. It comes with a 16 gigabyte of memory card. It says prepaid cell phone, but you could also put your AT&T postpay or your AT&T next SIM card in there in order to replace your broken phone or damaged phone. Okay, so let's go ahead and then give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick before we go over the spec. I'm gonna cover my IMEI numbers. Okay. So this one was dropped, I believe it's only like 2 or 3 days ago. And this is supposed to be my receipt that they get their order ready and ready to be picked up on July 15, 2018. So this is the plan that they have right now. $30 1 gigabyte, $35 a month, or $40. That's only if you do a auto pay, so you get $5 off on this two plan, the 1 gigabyte and 6 gigabyte data plan. So if you go with the 6 gigabyte plan, I believe in those two you get the Mexico, Canada included on $45 and $65 plan. And here is your family phone budget. So it comes with the new and latest Android 8.0 Oreo, and it has an internal storage of 16 gigabyte. You could expand with the micro SD card up to 128 gigabyte. And this one is a large 5.3 vivid HD video LCD. Okay, and then the rear camera is a 8 megapixel with a flash rear facing, and then for the front it's 5 megapixel front with the auto and gesture shots, which is nice. Then this one has a lithium ion long lasting 3000 milliamp battery. This one has a Snapdragon, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 processor, 1.4 gigahertz processor, and then 2 gigabyte of RAM. It is 4G LTE, then the 5.3 IPS HD touch screen. It is LCD, okay, not the AMOLED. And this one has a fingerprint sensor to unlock your phone. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. I don't know, you're supposed to pull out the tab and then it come out, but maybe the sticker was here or something. So this is the model number. LMX 410 AS. So come with this charging brick. And USB to micro USB charging cable. So I'm not sure if this is a fast charger or not, but probably not, because since this is a low budget phone, so don't buy this at the AT&T store, okay? Or else gonna get ripped off by $30, okay? Oh, it comes with the eject tools, which is nice. Cause so they have a SIM card tray, and I believe there's one for the memory card, so probably 2 in 1. So it comes with all this pamphlets. So I guess, yeah, you set up with your credit card and everything to refill your prepay. LG Phoenix Plus. So I guess this is just a quick start guide. And then your user guide is pretty thick. And then general reference documents. And then product safety and warranty information. Wow, so small. So I guess everything was packing on the back of the phone. So let's get into the phone, guys. So wow, looks pretty nice. So on the bottom here, you got your micro USB charging port right here, and still have your 3.5 millimeter jack. Okay. Then there is your camera lens, your flash, your power, and then your lock button right here, your AT&T logo. It's like grippy texture on the back, which is good, so it's not slippery. And on the bottom here, it says LG with their logo. And then there is your speaker grill right here. Then there is your front-facing camera. And then your headset. So let me go ahead and then take out this sticker. Wow, pretty nice. And then this is like a 2.5D glass, and has a little curvature around the edges. Not sure if you guys can see. Let me turn on the light. Since it's black on black, it's gonna be hard to see. I'm gonna show you the button. So here is your volume rocker button right here. Up and down. There is your SIM card tray right here, and then the memory card tray. It uses a nano SIM card and micro SD card memory card. I'm sorry, that's a microphone. My bad. The SIM card tray and memory card tray is right here. Okay, let's power on the device real quick. So LG stands for Life's Good, powered by Android. And this one has a 18-day standby time. The sensor has a accelerometer, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, gyro sensor, and fingerprint sensor. Okay. The screen resolution is 1280 by 720, and it records Full HD, which is 1920 by 1080. So there you go. It says welcome for English. So anyway, guys, this is my unboxing for this phone. Like always, I need to set this up with my Wi-Fi and then the account in order to do the full reviews. Okay. Anyway, this is what the phone look like right now. Got a pretty big forehead and then a chin right here, but for $100 you cannot complain. It's looks kind of like a iPhone 6 Plus, or iPhone 7 Plus or 8 Plus. But stay tuned. We're gonna do some testing for the next video. All right. Please be sure to like the video and then give a thumbs up, and then be sure to hit that subscribe button, and then turn on your bell for notification. Please share this with your friend, family, or on social media, and drop any of the comments on below. This is the new and latest LG Phoenix Plus phone by AT&T. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out.